When looking for a hot tub leak, most of the time it's going to be at one of the pumps, the heat tube, behind a jet, at a shutoff valve, or even a glued fitting. The first thing you want to do when looking for a hot tub leak is take off the side panel one at a time. Normally the first panel you want to take off is right where all the hot tub equipment is. Once you get the panel off your hot tub, turn all the jets on high. If you have a leak in your hot tub, normally you can see it right away, and these are the signs. Most hot tub leaks can be found right away, but there are other hot tub leaks you'll have to really look for. You might have to dig through foam. There are even hot tub leaks so hard to find you might have to take your hot tub out of the deck. And even if you do find your hot tub leak, sometimes you have to put it on its side just to get to it. The common hot tub leaks are going to be around the pump area and behind the jets. If you have any questions about hot tub leaks, leave a comment below. Make sure to like and subscribe.